Ready to drive up attendance to your webinars? One great way to get a better show-up rate is through SMS reminders. To integrate with Zoom or GoTo, first make sure that phone number is an option on your meeting or webinar registration form. You can then log into your mobile text alerts dashboard, go to the Add-ons to Integrations tab and then click the Zoom or GoTo tiles. Once you're connected to your Zoom or GoTo account, you can always access the integration from the Webinars tab within your mobile text alerts platform. From here you can set up flows of messages you'd like people to receive when they register for your meetings or webinars. You can toggle any of these message elements on or off using the checkmark triggers. For example, if you don't want an automated welcome message to be sent, you can toggle off the welcome option. You can include an automated welcome message people receive immediately upon registering, and you can include as many reminder or follow-up messages as you'd like to be sent before and after your event. You can also include a message to send to absentees automatically after the webinar is over. When editing or adding messages in the workflow, you'll be able to select how long of a time frame before or after the event that you'd like the messages to go out. The buttons toward the bottom of the text input box allow you to insert elements such as emojis and links. Of particular note is the variable button. This will allow you to include important variables, such as first name and a unique join link for your registrants. You can also set up a message to go out to absentees, those who registered for your meeting webinar but don't end up showing up. Once you're done setting up your message workflow, you can edit and manage it anytime from your Webinars tab. Selecting the pencil icon toward the top right allows you to edit your default messaging flow. The Sync Webinars button will refresh your webinar sync to pull in any new webinars that have been created. For each individual upcoming webinar, you'll be able to select whether or not you'd like a welcome message, reminder messages, and an absentee message to be sent. Click the pencil icon on any webinar to edit the messaging flow for that webinar. You can edit some overall webinar settings under your settings page. From here you can toggle webinar alerts on or off. This will determine whether or not your webinar messages are automatically sent. You can also toggle on or off auto import new events. This will determine whether your new webinars and meetings will be automatically imported in for receiving webinar messages. If this is set to off, you will need to manually sync your webinars. Lastly, from here you can also disconnect your Zoom or GoTo account. Now you're ready to start getting more attendance to your webinars via SMS. Thanks for watching.